What's going on, guys? It's day 53, check it out. To make the sweet corn and broccoli fritters, we'll need some eggs, sweet potato, sweet corn, some broccoli and some paprika to add a bit of spice. Peel the sweet potato. Next, grate the sweet potato, and then you want to chop up the broccoli and then pop it in a pan just to boil. Add paprika to your grated sweet potato. Next, add in all your sweet corn. Give everything a good mix. Tip in all your broccoli and then crack in an egg and give everything a good mix. Take a spoonful of the fritter mixture and shallow fry it in a pan until crispy on each side, about 3 minutes on each side. Voila, your sweet corn fritters are done. Thanks for watching, guys.